Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete ToonBlast account using your ToonBlast application. So let's dive in straight into the video. Open your ToonBlast application from your app drawer. Once you're inside the main homepage of ToonBlast, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. Now, in the settings tab, look for delete my account option at the bottom. Tap on it and you will be able to see this dialog box. If you delete your account, you will lose all of your game progress, coins, boosters, and purchases. Account deletion process will take up to 30 days. Once your account is deleted, this action cannot be reversed. However, if you return back to your game before your account is deleted, you can cancel the deletion process and restore your account. So to delete your account and move on, tap on the delete button and type in delete in block letters on the display. Once you are done, tap on delete one more time and you will be able to schedule your account to deletion. If you return back to your game before it is deleted, you can cancel the deletion process. So that is how you can easily delete your ToonBlast account within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.